Welcome to miniOrange. miniOrange's Confluence user provisioning products are the most successful on the Atlassian market. So, in this video, we'll show you how to use Azure AD as a provider to allow user provisioning in Confluence. On the Confluence dashboard, click on Settings. In Settings icon, click on Manage Apps. And click on Find New Apps. Now search SCIM in the search bar. To download the miniOrange plugin, click on Free Trial. Click on Install button. Click on Accept and Install to agree with miniOrange policies and terms of use. After successful installation, use the license key to activate the plugin. You have successfully installed the miniOrange plugin. You can view plugin settings using any of the ways. The first way is by clicking on the plugin, and then clicking on Configure. Then either option is scroll down. Click on miniOrange User Provisioning Sync. Click on Azure Active Directory. We will be covering the SCIM setup here. You can also go through the setup guide by clicking on Documentation. Select your IDP. You will get step-by-step instructions here. Now enter the app name of your choice. The SCIM base URL and bearer token creates inner relationship between Azure AD and Confluence. You will require the SCIM base URL and bearer token for further configuration. Now click on Save Settings. Now click on Provisioning Operations. Enable all the provisioning operations to import users. Update Confluence users, import users IDP groups, enable Confluence users, and disable Confluence users. Then, click on Save Settings. Your plugin settings have been saved successfully. If you face any issue related to the plugin, you can check the Troubleshooting tab. Here, you can download the logs, as well as download support zip files. Let us check the user management in Confluence without SCIM. Open Confluence and click on Settings icon at the top right corner. Then click on User Management. In the Users tab, click on Show All Users. As we can see, no user is added. Let's set up Azure AD SCIM configuration. Log into your Azure AD account. Click on Azure Active Directory. Then, click on Enterprise Applications. Now, click on New Application. Then, click on Create Your Own Application. Now enter the app name of your choice. Then click on Create button. Your application has been created successfully. Now, click on Provisioning. Then click on Get Started. Change the provisioning mode to Automatic. For the tenant URL, go back to the miniOrange plugin in Confluence. Click on Edit option and copy the SCIM base URL from the plugin. And paste it in the tenant URL field in Azure AD. Similarly, for secret token, go back to your plugin in Confluence and copy the bearer token and paste it in the secret token field in Azure AD. Then click on Test Connection. Your connection testing is successful. Now, click on Save button to save the provisioning. Now, click on Users and Groups. And click on Add Users Groups. Then click on Users, None selected. Click on the user data. And then click on Select button. Now, click on Assign button. Application assignment is successful. The user has been assigned to the application. Navigate to Provisioning. Click on Start Provisioning. Your provisioning is scheduled to start. Navigate to View Provisioning Details. As we can see, the user provisioning cycle runs after 40 minutes. That means, you can verify your user management in Confluence after 40 minutes. Let us check the user management in Confluence with SCIM. Open Confluence and click on Settings icon at the top right corner. Then click on User Management. In the Users tab, click on Show All Users. As we can see, the data of the Azure AD user has been synced successfully with Confluence. Let us update existing user profile in Azure AD to check the user provisioning in Confluence. Open Azure AD and click on the existing user profile. Then click on Edit option. Update the user's first name as shown. Now click on Save button. Your user profile has been updated successfully. Open Confluence and click on Settings icon at the top right corner. Then click on User Management. In the Users tab, click on Show All Users. As we can see, the updated data of the Azure AD user has been synced successfully with Confluence. miniOrange provides best user provisioning. Thanks for watching.